The first and foremost, the fact that federal employees were given this type of email and given less than 2 weeks or 2 weeks to make a decision, something that important is just ridiculous. But here's a few things to consider, and I know by the time that folks see this video, the deferred resignation program is, probably the window's closed. But here's what we've been telling clients, or what we told clients during the window time that deferred resignation program was made available. A few things. One, uh, there's really a lot of uncertainty from a legal standpoint as to whether the administration can actually legally follow through on the alleged promise to pay people through September. As you know, Congress has only, there's only money available through March of this year. And so there's really a lot of concerns about the legality of the offer. And the fact of the matter is, if you accepted the fork in the road or deferred resignation, look, there's real questions as to whether, say, for instance, the administration doesn't pay you um, through September, to what extent you can actually even enforce that agreement, because there's really a lot of questions around that. But also, keep in mind that this is there's a lot of things that federal employees, in terms of rights, they'd have to sign a release of claims, I think, is part of the deal. So it creates a lot of uncertainty, and for the very small window of people who were actually going to retire anyway. Maybe that's a deal where maybe you take the agreement. But for a lot of federal employees, it just simply, there's so many unknowns regarding this agreement, the enforceability of it, where we've really been reluctant to recommend that many people take the deal just because of these uncertainties from a legal standpoint.